We are going to be doing a highly requested press-on nail tutorial.
I'm coming slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Funny for your fucking ass. Too early for your fucking ass.
Pop it with your pop, with your pop it with your pop, pop it with your pop it with your pop it with your pop.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back. In today's vlog, we are going to be doing a highly requested Christmas press-on nail tutorial. I'm so glad you guys are tuned in. Happy Vlogmas and happy holidays to you and your family. It's time to get these nubs together, y'all, okay? Hey guys, so we're going to do a quick tutorial. So I actually am going to a holiday party tonight, and I really wanted to have some really cute Christmas nails. So we got these nails from Temu. So I'm going to show them to you guys. They are super cute. I want it to go long and festive. So I'm super excited to put these on. The glue I'll be using is the Kiss Speed, Maximum Speed. I also really like the Kiss 5-second glue. That's actually my favorite. And then we have, of course, my file, which I also got from Temu as well. So this is my electric one that I got from Temu as well. I will have the nails, the manual file, and the electric file linked in my description, as well as with a little code for you guys in case you want to go shop. I got a little surprise discount for you on there. So we're just going to jump into it, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. So first and foremost, like I always tell you guys, make sure you are starting with clean hands. So I already went and washed my hands. That's why they look dry like that, baby, because I just washed them. But we are going to go through, and I tell you guys all the time to make sure that you file your nail after you wash it. So right now, I'm just going to go through and file my real nails. So you guys stay tuned. That's what we about to do. And y'all, I actually had on nails previous to this, so I had to use my electric because it works so much better when you have glue already on your nails. Like if you want to get that little bit of extra glue off, I think the electric works way better. And I'm just going through and I'm just simply filing my real nail. So, and basically this is just your prep stage. So just go through and file. If you're using a manual file, then all you're gonna do is just go through and file your real nail. That's it. So just take your file and file your real nail. You don't have to do a lot. Again, I also go through and just even out my real nails because they're all different lengths, child. So boom, so we got a good ashy dry base, as it should be. Okay, I'm gonna put a little music over this, and I'm gonna do my other hand as well. Okay guys, now that my nail bed is all prepped, although my nail bed is clean because my hands are washed, I still, after I file, like going through with the alcohol wipe and just wiping my nail bed off, I find that it helps the glue to stick a little bit better. I notice when I do this step that my nails last a little bit longer, for real. Like I be having to pry them off my fingers. So if you don't have it, cool, it's no biggie. But if you do, hit it with that wipe. It'll also get all that extra dirt. And if you've had on glue or you had press-ons on before, then it helps to break that glue up and just, you know, give you a cleaner nail bed, okay? So that's that. So we're gonna let that dry for a second. And then we're just gonna start applying our nails. So what I just do is I take each nail off and I just apply them as I go. There's no real method to it for me. Now there are a couple of keys that help me a lot when doing my press-ons. And that is number one, making sure when you put your nail on, we'll start with this one. Making sure that when you put your nail on, you're actually putting it on under the nail bed, okay? So like don't set it on top of your nail bed. Make sure it slides up under your nail bed a little bit. So I think this is a middle. So this would probably be my middle. These are a little big. Now these are a little big. So this will be my. Now these are a little big for my finger. I got a size extra small. Some nails come small, extra small. These I think are a little big for an extra small, but they'll work for what I need to do. I just need them for a couple of days. So we're just gonna apply them. Now again, like I was saying, we're just gonna take the nail and we're gonna take our glue and we're gonna apply the glue directly onto the nail. So I like to just take my glue, and y'all don't put too much glue, but make sure you put enough. Also, don't forget to get your sides of the nail. A lot of times you just get in the middle and you forget to get those sides. Typically when your nails lift or they break, they're breaking from the sides, not from directly in the middle. So make sure you hit that side, and make sure you scoop them up under your nail bed a little bit. It just helps give you a really natural look. Scoop it up under my nail bed. This gives you a more natural look. Like, that looks so good. So I'm about to put some music over this, and we just gonna put our nails on, y'all. Okay guys, so I am almost done. I just have these two left, so I'm gonna pop them on real quick. As you can see, like, that's why I love press-ons. They're just so quick and easy. Literally 10 minutes. That's all you need, and you're in and out. Also, my press-ons be lasting a long time. I think the key is making sure your prep is good and making sure you're just using a good glue. That's the key. So I'm just gluing this one on. And I gotta be honest, like, I typically only use Temu press-ons. They just work for me. I just love them. The quality for the price that you get is really, really good. I just really love them. I just really do. I can't stand by their press-ons 100%. Also, guys, don't forget, I'm going to give you guys a code. Please use that. You guys will be supporting me also while getting you a little deal. So make sure you guys use that code and shop these. I'm not sure if these exact ones will still be up, but they have a wide array of, like, holiday nails. And you know their shipping is free. So that's always a good thing. Plus, they have where you can order from the local warehouse where you get your stuff super fast. So this is the last one. Now, I will say these nails, I ordered a size extra small. My nail bed is super small, so I always get extra small. These definitely give me more of a size small. I can say that. But they still look good and they fit okay. I'm going to go back through after they dry and just file the sides down so they don't look wide, like on my little nail. But for the most part, they look really good. Like, they look very good. I love the long length. I love the festive. I love these ones that are like clear, but they have like a little bow or just a dainty design. Like, I like that. That's really cute. So, like, they are so cute, y'all. They are perfect holiday nails. They're so pretty. Another step I like to do is going through and adding a little bit of glue, like, to the sides. Wherever I can push down and it lifts up a little bit, I try to add a little bit of glue. just so they don't lift on the sides. Like right there. They are pretty much good. And because I did say they are a little bit wide, I'm gonna go through and first of all get my tips. So I just take my filer and I just give me a nice clean tip. They are so cute. I love these. These are so freaking cute. And now I'm just gonna go through and file the sides just a little bit. Just a thin amount, just a little bit. There we go. So now I'm just gonna get an alcohol wipe and wipe them clean. And that is pretty much it, baby. I love press-ons. Just gonna give me an alcohol wipe and wipe them off. This just gets all that dry glue from the sides and off of the nail. It just make it look cleaner. Sometimes I get real fancy and add like some top coat on top or a little bit of clear fingernail polish, but we're not doing that tonight, okay? Maybe I'll do that in the next press-on tutorial. If y'all want like a full-on tutorial where I do all the stuff I do after too, like I usually do a scrub after and everything, then you guys leave that in the comments. Put full nail tutorial in the comments and I'll do it. That nail tutorial will probably be a little bit longer as well because I will go through like literally each and every step of what I do. So here are the nails, guys. They are so pretty. I will have them linked for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's nail tutorial. Here are my nails. They are so pretty. Shout out to Temu. I will have these linked in the description, as well as all the products I used today. They will also be on my Amazon storefront. So if you guys wanted to get nails for the holidays, then make sure you guys go shop Temu. Super cost effective. And look at those. They look great. They look freaking great. So shout out to Temu. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button and support the girl. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Happy Vlogmas, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Pop it with your pop, with your pop it with your pop, pop it with your pop it with your pop it with your pop, pop.